Hi guys, my name is Shamik and welcome back to the series of Git screencasts. Today, we are going to talk about how to merge the code of others, whether to use rebase or the merge command. Before we proceed, I would assume that you are familiar with the basic Git commands like status, add, commit, and log. I would also assume that you are familiar with branches in Git, what the head signifies, and how to work with branches like creating, deleting, and switching between branches. I would suggest that you go through the course Introduction to Git on SitePoint Premium before starting this video. When do we use the merge or rebase commands? The basic idea is to incorporate changes by others. In the figure, each letter signifies a commit in Git, and when you move from left to right, it shows a chronological order of commits. At commit C, which is common to all the three branches, you would find that two branches, new feature and another feature, have diverged from the master. The arrows in the figure point to the heads of the branches, which is nothing but the latest commit in the branches. Let us now see how to merge them using the git merge command. Assuming you want to incorporate the changes in another feature into the new feature branch, you must first check out into the new feature branch and then run the merge command on another feature. These are the two commands that you must run in order to perform the operation. Notice that a new commit G has been created in the new feature branch. The git merge procedure is non-destructive. It means that no histories are rewritten. However, also notice that a loop has been created in the history. During the push or pull operation, merges happen by default. Let us now look at the git merge command in action. I have created a repository called random repository and made a few commits for demonstration. As you can see, I have created two branches, new feature and another feature, just like in the figure. The common commit to all three branches is the one signified by 2598A33. Another feature has diverged and has one extra commit, whereas in new feature there are two commits which are signified by the commit messages first and second commit. To perform the merge operation, we first need to check out to the new feature branch and then merge it with another feature. At this point, I am being asked to specify a commit message for the merge commit. I just need to save and close this file to complete the operation. As you can see, the merge procedure has been completed. Looking at the history of the repository again, we can see the new merge commit as highlighted in the screen. Git merge creates loops which clutters project histories, especially if there are a lot of merge commits. Let us now look at a different procedure for merge called rebase. Literally, it means rewriting the history of a branch to a new base commit. Let us look at a similar situation in which a new branch called new feature has diverged from the master at C with two new commits P and Q. Since it has diverged, there have been two new commits in master as well. To perform a rebase, we must first check out to the new feature branch and then use the rebase command on master. The figure here shows the result of the rebase command. Interestingly, it has led to a linear commit history. As you can see, the new commits in master have been taken and put just after the common commit C. Once M and N have been put, the commits of New feature P and Q which were not present in master have been put. Therefore, it's a linear history, but the commits may not be in chronological order. The commits in the master branch will always be put before the commits in my present branch, irrespective of the timestamp of the commits. This can lead to issues when you're debugging, specifically when you're using the git bisect command, which we will visit in a later video. Rewriting history for shared branches might not be a good idea when multiple people are working on it. Rebase is a powerful command in Git, but it must be used with care. Therefore, beginners are often told never to rebase but merge. Therefore, when in doubt, always merge because you can go back to the state whenever you want. However, rebase rewrites the histories and going back to an earlier state may not always be possible. Let us look at the rebase command in action. As you can see, I have created a similar situation as shown in the figure. New feature diverged from the master branch at this particular commit. From the point where it had divulged, new feature has two new commits and master also has two new commits. Let us first check out into the new feature branch and then run the rebase command on master. As you can see, the rebase command has successfully been completed. Currently, we are at the new feature branch. If you look at it properly, the commits in the master branch have been put just behind the commits that were in the new feature branch. In this video, we have looked at two different merge mechanisms, git merge and git rebase. However, we have left one important factor that arises during merge operations called conflicts. We will be looking how to manage conflicts in Git in the next video. As further reading, you might be interested in checking out how the command git cherrypick works. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.